wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one. Back again at Keith's. Keith there, Chase is over there walking. So, many of you were like, did your check engine light come on? You guys are asking a lot about these things, right? Because we unplugged these, the active exhaust things or whatnot, right? So, when we unplugged one of them, it did not come on. But when we unplugged both of them, it did come on the way, basically on the way home. So we're gonna plug them back in, but they are good though. Where they at? Let me see, real quick. Oh, that's, by the way, that's Caitlin on Awesome over there. You can say hi. Anyway, but they are still pretty much good. I forgot where you plug them. Oh, you plug it in right there. So the only thing that broke really was the like the bolt to hold it in, but other than that, it should still be. I'm not even showing you guys. So plug it in right there, and other than that, it should still be good. So all we're gonna do is plug it back in and basically put it up there somewhere and see what happens. What'd you say? They both broke? Oh, because what's the name?
Yeah, because you broke them.
I didn't break that one. That one was still good.
That one just put the nuts back on that motherfucker right there. It's done.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Now the only thing is, right?
You can still put it on there. It's just the holes are messed up.
It's just the one on the bottom is messed up. That's it.
Did you save the hardware?
I saved the nuts for this.
What is that?
It's trying to reset itself.
Oh, cause you what's the name? The only thing that I'm thinking though, right, is will this thing, is it gonna be?
It's not gonna catch because the string's not there and the safety wire's in the way.
It's not even close.
Oh, okay.
So that one's on the bolts there.
Yeah, I have 0 holes on this one.
Yeah, I know. That's the one I'll have to safety wire. But this one we can bolt up 2 times.
Cool.
And it's done.
I got a naked girl on your fridge.
Dun dun dun.
Better than a naked girl on your fridge.
There's always a silver lining. Alright, man, so basically this one is already, you guys can see there's no light right now, but actually let me All right, so this one right here is pretty much done. Plug it back in, bolt it up so it doesn't rattle basically, and we're good to go. This one over here, because I did break some of the bolts and screws and stuff like that, we're gonna have to basically find another way to put it up there. Basically the same thing with the chicken wire, the safety wire. Put it back in and call it a day, because I don't have any. All of the bolts are still there, but I guess the you know, where you actually fasten it up to is broken. Right, the plastic pieces right there.
They're gone.
So
Safety wire to the rescue?
Yes, sir.
so we got some handy dandy safety wire.
Hey, you can probably use that hole down in the bottom. Just for added safety, for the safety wire.
Ain't that a cool? So what is that tool called? What is that called? What kind of pliers is that?
Safety wire pliers?
Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Chase, is that funny?
Chase is laughing at you.
Chase, that's funny? do you really think is that funny to you? Huh?
Yes. Indeed.
Is that what it's called? Safety wire pliers?
Yeah. You can get one more piece.
That's what we're gonna go with.
Oh, okay. I'm saying, I mean, did you know that's what it was called?
I'm gonna go with chicken wire plier. I think that's better.
I just want to know why you think that was funny. It's because I'm black?
What the fuck's that got to do with anything?
Exactly. I'm always going to use that.
Hey!
That's going to be my...
We gotta kick him out, man. He's over here playing the race card on us.
Hey, look, when you got no more cards to play, that's what you play, all right?
Oh, man.
That's what you play.
I thought we was boys.
And then from there, you're like, all right, man, you win.
That's
I
right.
didn't think you were black.
Well, hey, look, sometimes I pick and choose. In this case,
today you are.
yeah, right now.
What was it on Tuesday? I may or may not have made a comment about you being black, but you weren't black Tuesday. Damn it, man. We can't win.
So there you go, man. So you got your chicken wire pliers. Oh, look at
too tight.
That one got a little too crazy.
got a little too excited.
Oh my jeans.
A little too
It's a
excited.
dead chicken.
By the way, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have an exhaust leak there. This is from the factory because this X pipe right here is from the factory. So, should I take this back to Dodge and have them fix it?
Warranty.
I mean, really, I mean, that exhaust leak has nothing to do with everything else that's done down in this, you know, under the car. So, I mean, what can they really say? But there is an exhaust leak in the factory X pipe. It's weird because FatKat Keith, he has one on his as well. Not there though, it is more towards the rear, but he also has a factory exhaust leak as well. So good job, Dodge.
Chicken number 2.
It ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, but it's gonna, it ain't going nowhere, but it's gonna, you don't think it's gonna make noise?
You ain't gonna hear that. There's only one way to find out. Find out.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. No, didn't I tell you that? Because I took these off, it freaking disabled my remote start. Give it a second. I drive my car. No, I can tell you. It's not. Yeah, it's good because like it'll start. My remote start would start, but then in like 5 seconds it'll turn off. So
yeah, if it pops on, yeah, it'll kill it.
So it stay, you know. So it's not reading it because it's
I was just running that code checker real quick.
Oh, you were. Oh, my bad.
Current. No, it went already. You're good.
Yeah. So there you guys go, man. So my remote start did get disabled because I don't know, because it didn't see that there, so the check engine lights came on. My remote start got disabled, but now it's good. My remote start stayed, and I tell you, all we had to do was plug those back in. You guys are like, people are like, oh, go buy a new one and this, and I'm like, I don't need to. All I got to do is plug it back in.
I tried to tell you that the other night.
I know you did. You did. You're right. Look, you're right.
Thank you.
You're right.
Thank you
It was his fault.
for admitting that.
It's his fault.
I'll take the blame.
But he was right though. He was like, no, leave it plugged in. And we were like, nah, man, just unplug it. Don't matter. It's good. So because we unplugged them, the check engine light came on. But like I said, people were like, go buy a new one, go do this, go do that. I don't gotta do that. All I did was plug them back in because it was good. Like the piece is good. It's just that the screw or the hardware itself to where it mounts up to broke off.
It just wants to see that signal. Is all it
Exactly. Right. It just wants to see the signal that they're there. But even though they're not doing anything. So there you go, man. So now we are back to normal, at least hopefully. And it won't come back on. That was it. This is gonna be a quick video, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys real quick me being back here and showing that I did have a check engine light, because a lot of people did comment about that. So yes, there was a check engine light when we unplugged both of the active exhaust system things. There was a check engine light that came on. So I came back today, literally 2 days later, and we plugged them back in. As of right now, the check engine light is off. Obviously we reset it or whatever, so the check engine light is off. So hopefully it stays off. It should stay off, because all it's doing is looking for that signal to say, hey, that system is there, that active exhaust, you know, whatever the things are there. So as far as I know, they should stay off. Obviously I'll update you guys as time goes on, but no, I didn't have to buy new ones. I didn't buy, you know, another set or whatever the case. These are the same ones that I already had on the car. I just plugged them back in. They're not doing anything because remember, we got the safety wire, we got them in there and they're holding the valves open, so they're not doing anything, but they are on the car. Hopefully that signal relays it back to the computer, and it just, you know, makes it think that it's there. So I didn't have to go out and buy the MFR1 and everything else. Like I said, we pretty much did the same thing that MFR1 does for free. Now you can do it how you want to, but that's just what I did. So basically, you can take out the spring. I mean, now this is for the 2019s and above. Take out the spring, put some safety wire on it, hold it open, do whatever, or find out a way to hold it. You don't gotta be safety wire, but just find out a way to hold the, you know, the valve open, and then you could just leave your things plugged in, and then you pretty much, like I said, do it for free, man, and it's always going to be open. So there you go, man. Hope you guys learned something from that, or you like that. If not, man, let me know. Obviously, you guys know I always appreciate your comments, you know, in the comment section below, man. So whatever you think about it, man, let me know. Anyway, other than that, remember, the giveaway is live right now. Got about another 2 weeks or so. Giveaway is live right now for the carbon fiber, hydro dip carbon fiber rear spoiler, man. So make sure you guys go in the description below, check that video out of how to enter. Also check out the video of me unboxing that, and then check out the video of me or actually of Chase ceramic coating that part, man. So ceramic coated as well. So make sure you guys go check that out. What else? Oh, also, if you guys like the intro video, make sure you guys check out the video is linked below as well, of the entire thing. It's about a 3-minute video, and I cut it down to about 2 minutes. I know it's still kind of long, but I just have so much. I would be the worst movie director or movie editor, period, because I always think everything is dope, and I don't like to edit nothing out. That's the reason why some of my videos are super long. But my movies, all my movies are literally be 4 or 5 hours long, man, because I hate to cut stuff out, man, because everything's dope to me. But anyway, so the actual whole video was about 3 minutes, which we did like 4 or 5 different days of shooting. I even told him, directed by Ken, I was like, I don't know how you got that video down to 3 minutes, because my video would have been at least 30. So much dope footage that we did, man. But anyway, he cut it down to 3 minutes. Dope editing, dope video. Make sure you guys check that out below as well, man, so you can check out the whole video. I believe that I did a bunch of talking in the beginning as well, as always. And I think the timestamp, I put it in the description. I think it starts around 9:08, 9:10, something like that, of the video. So make sure you guys check that out, man. Anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bells. You guys know I am your boy FatKat, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.